National bird of Canada. Canada jay. Scientific name, Perisoreus canadensis. The Canada jay, also known as the gray jay, camp robber, moose bird, gorby, or whiskey jack, is a passerine bird of the family Corvidae.
It is found in boreal forests of North America north to the tree line, and in the Rocky Mountains subalpine zone south to New Mexico and Arizona.
A typical adult Canada jay is between 25 and 33 centimeters long. Its wingspan is around 45 centimeters. It weighs about 65 to 70 grams, 2.3 to 2.5 ounces.
The average lifespan of territory-owning Canada jays is 8 years. The oldest known Canada jay banded and recaptured in the wild was at least 17 years old. Monogamous pairs remain together for life, though a bird will pair up with a new partner if it is widowed.
Canada jays live year-round on permanent territories in coniferous forests, surviving in winter months on food cached throughout their territory in warmer periods.
Canada jay. Selected as national bird by the Royal Canadian Geographical Society through an expert panel and Canadian Geographic magazine reader poll. The Canadian government does not recognize the designation.
National birds Alberta.
Great horned owl. Scientific name, Bubo virginianus. The great horned owl, also known as the tiger owl or the hoot owl, is a large owl native to the Americas. Great horned owls range in length from 43 to 64 centimeters, 17 to 25 in. Females are larger than males. Mean body weight is 1,608 grams, 3.545 pounds, for females. National birds British Columbia.
Steller's jay. Scientific name, Cyanocitta stelleri. Steller's jay is a bird native to western North America, closely related to the blue jay found in the rest of the continent, but with a black head and upper body. It is also known as the long-crested jay, mountain jay, and pine jay. It is also sometimes colloquially called a blue jay in the Pacific Northwest. National birds Manitoba.
Great gray owl. Scientific name, Strix nebulosa. The great gray owl is a very large owl, documented as the world's largest species of owl by length. Also called phantom of the north, Cynareus owl, spectral owl, Lapland owl, spruce owl, bearded owl, and sooty owl.
They breed in North America from as far east as Quebec to the Pacific coast and Alaska, and from Finland and Estonia across northern Asia. The length ranges from 61 to 84 centimeters, 24 to 33 in. The adult weight ranges from 580 to 1,900 grams, 1.28 to 4.19 pounds.
National birds New Brunswick.
Black-capped chickadee. Scientific name, Poecile atricapillus. The black-capped chickadee is a small, non-migratory, North American songbird. It is a passerine bird in family Perisoreus. It is well known for its ability to lower its body temperature during cold winter nights, its good spatial memory to relocate the caches where it stores food.
It is known for its boldness near humans. It feeds from the hand.
Black-capped chickadees build nests in tree cavities.
Oiseaux nationaux du Nouveau-Brunswick.
Mésange à tête noire. Nom scientifique, Pécile atricapillus. La mésange à tête noire est une espèce de passereau de la famille des Paridés. C'est la plus commune des mésanges d'Amérique. D'une longueur de 12 à 14 cm. Elle se retrouve en Alaska, au Canada et dans le nord des États-Unis.
National birds Newfoundland and Labrador.
Atlantic puffin. Scientific name, Fratercula arctica. The Atlantic puffin, also known as the common puffin, is a species of seabird in the auk family. It is 28 to 30 centimeters, 11 to 12 in length and stands about 20 centimeters, 8 in, high. The Atlantic puffin is most commonly found on the Westman Islands, Iceland. National birds Nova Scotia.
Osprey. Scientific name, Pandion haliaetus. The osprey, also called sea hawk, river hawk, and fish hawk, is a diurnal, fish-eating bird of prey with a cosmopolitan range. It is a large raptor reaching more than 60 centimeters, 24 in length, and 180 centimeters, 71 across the wings. It is found on all continents except Antarctica. National birds: Northwest Territories.
Gerfalcon. Scientific name, Falco rusticolus. The largest of the falcon species, is a bird of prey. The abbreviation gyre is also used. It breeds on Arctic coasts and tundra, and the islands of northern North America and the Euro-Siberian region. It is mainly a resident there. Females are bulkier and larger, at 51 to 65 centimeters, 20 to 25.5 long, weigh 805 to 1,350 grams, 1 pound 12.5 ounces to 2 pounds 15.5 ounces. National birds: Nunavut.
Rock ptarmigan. Scientific name, Lagopus muta. The rock ptarmigan is a medium-sized game bird in the grouse family. Breeds across Arctic and subarctic Eurasia, and North America, including Greenland. In Japan, it is known as the reicho, which means thunderbird.
Oiseaux nationaux du Nunavut.
Lagopède alpin. Nom scientifique, Lagopus muta. Le lagopède alpin est une espèce d'oiseau de taille moyenne de la famille des Phasianidae. Il est également appelé lagopède des rochers, perdrix des neiges ou encore ptarmigan. Cet oiseau de 34 à 36 cm. National birds: Ontario.
Common loon. Scientific name, Gavia immer. The common loon or great northern diver is a large member of the loon, or diver, family of birds. It can range from 66 to 91 centimeters. Its weight can vary anywhere from 2.2 to 7.6 kilograms, 4.9 to 16.8 pounds.
Oiseaux nationaux de l'Ontario.
Plongeon var. Nom scientifique, Gavia immé. Le plongeon var, aussi appelé le plongeon imbrun en Europe, le var à collier au Canada ou le richepaume en Acadie, est une espèce d'oiseau de la famille des gaviiformes. Cette espèce, comme tous les plongeons, est essentiellement piscivore.
National birds: Prince Edward Island.
Blue jay. Scientific name, Cyanocitta cristata. The blue jay is a passerine bird in the family Corvidae, native to eastern North America. It lives in most of the eastern and central United States. The blue jay occurs from southern.
The blue jay feeds mainly on seeds and nuts, such as acorns, which it may hide to eat later. It builds an open cup nest in the branches of a tree. Both sexes participate.
National birds: Quebec.
Snowy owl. Scientific name, Bubo scandiacus. Also known as the polar owl, the white owl and the Arctic owl, is a large, white owl of the true owl family. Snowy owls are native to the Arctic regions of both North America and the Palearctic, breeding mostly on the tundra.
Males tend to be a purer white overall while females tend to have more extensive flecks of dark brown. Length is about 52.5 to 64 centimeters, 20.7 to 25.2 The snowy owl is often active during the day.
Oiseaux nationaux du Québec.
Harfang des neiges. Nom scientifique, Bubo scandiacus. Le harfang des neiges est une espèce d'oiseau de la famille des Strigidae. Il est aussi appelé hutt-pic par les Inuits. Il est l'emblème aviaire du Québec depuis 1987. Le nom vernaculaire, le harfang, vient du vieux suédois harfang, qui signifie attrape-lièvre.
Le harfang est un très grand oiseau, pouvant atteindre jusqu'à 70 cm de longueur. Les mâles sont en général plus petits que les femelles. Leur envergure est de 170 à 177 cm pour les femelles adultes. Leur masse varie de 1 à 2,5 kg.
National birds: Saskatchewan.
Sharp-tailed grouse. Scientific name, Tympanuchus phasianellus. The sharp-tailed grouse, also known as the sharp-tail or fire grouse, is a medium-sized prairie grouse. It is found throughout Alaska, much of northern and western Canada, and parts of the western and midwestern United States.
National birds: Yukon.
Common raven. Scientific name, Corvus corax. The common raven, also known as the western raven or northern raven, is a large all-black passerine bird. Found across the northern hemisphere, it is the most widely distributed of all corvids. There are at least 8 subspecies.
The common raven is unusually intelligent. Over the centuries, it has been the subject of mythology, folklore, art, and literature. Common raven averages 63 centimeters, 25 in length and 1.2 kilograms, 2.6 pounds, in mass. It can live more than 23 years in the wild.